I reviewed this miter saw from Harbor Freight here a while back, and at the time I reviewed it, boy, it made excellent cuts. It was dead on and made 45s and bevels and everything exactly. But now, after about 2 years of use, so I don't think those are ball bearings in there. That's probably brass bushings in there, because now the blade is wobbling. So I'm going to take this thing apart. I mean, it cuts real good and it does well, but it's just not that accurate anymore because of this blade wobble. And if you do high-tech work, you want a high-tech precision saw. Alright, let's take this thing apart, see what we got. Alright, let's take a look in there. Something's not holding that race, this bearing race in place, causing it to move back and forth. I can already see what it is. They've got 3 punch marks, that one, and this one over here to hold this race in place, keep it from jumping around. So what I need to do is to find something to go on top of this. Probably some kind of metal ring or something. So you can see where that bearing race has been trying to turn on there. Should be a simple fix if I can find something. I don't know how much I need. And then looks like close to 1 5/8 overall without coming past this part. It's got to fit in here but not touch the part that turns, because we don't want something to overheat.